In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Etsy shop. By the end, you'll have your storefront set up and ready for your first listing. Before we begin, have your basic details handy, including your preferred shop language, the country you operate from, your currency, and the bank and card information you'll use for payouts and fees. Start by opening Etsy in your web browser. On the homepage, look for the shop or selling icon at the top. Click it to begin the onboarding. When you see the welcome screen, select Let's do this. To move forward, you'll be asked a few quick questions about your selling plans. Choose the option that best fits your situation, whether you're just exploring or ready to sell right away. This helps Etsy tailor the setup experience. Continue by clicking Next, and then choose Start your shop to begin configuring your storefront. Now set your shop preferences. Choose the language you'll use to describe your items, the country where your shop is based, and the currency you want to list prices in. Pick the country that reflects where you do business and ship from, since it can affect taxes and shipping settings. When those are selected, click Save and Continue. Next, name your shop. Enter a name that's memorable, relevant to what you sell, and easy to spell. Keep it within Etsy's character limits and avoid punctuation that isn't allowed. If the name is taken, try small variations that still fit your brand. When you're happy with it, save and continue. It's time to set up how you get paid. Start by selecting the country where your bank account is located. This determines the payout options available to you. Click Save and Continue, then carefully fill in your banking details. Make sure the account holder name matches your bank records exactly and enter the correct routing, IBAN, or account numbers for your region. Review everything for accuracy to prevent payout delays, then save and continue. You'll also provide billing information for fees. Add a valid credit or debit card that can be used for online payments. This card may be used for listing fees, transaction fees, and any verification charges. When prompted, review the setup fee details and choose Continue. Finally, complete your shop security. Follow the prompts to secure your account. This may include verifying your identity, confirming your email, and enabling security features like two-step verification. Choose a strong password and keep your recovery methods up to date. That's it. Your Etsy shop is created. You're ready to personalize your storefront and prepare your first listings. If you found this helpful, follow along for more tips on optimizing your shop and growing your sales.